Hi everyone, welcome to our level 12. In this level, we focus on how business analyst works with other teams and external vendors. So this is a worksheet demo designed for crash course demo for aspiring business analysts. So here you will learn how real project connect multiple systems and teams. Okay, so in modern IT project, nothing is built by just one team. Multiple internal teams, vendors work together to deliver one solution. So as a business analyst, your responsibility is to ensure all systems integrate smoothly. That's the main point. So good collaboration avoid delays, rework, and closely integrate with issues. Okay, so this is what why we need to work with cross-functional team. Okay, so key terms here: vendors. You see internal development team, testing team, QA team, API integration, vendors, third-party services. Okay, so let me give a example. What does it mean? Okay, so let's look at the common team involved most project. You can work closely with internal development team, right? Who builds the application? So your developers. You also coordinate with QA team to validate the integrations. And in addition to that, you interact with API vendors, third-party services, credit checks, or payment gateway. These are few examples, okay? So now let's take one worksheet example scenario. In this worksheet, we use a real-world scenario as a loan application that integrates with multiple APIs. Your task is to identify which team or vendor owns each API. Document how data flows between systems and identify potential risk or integration dependency early. Okay, so don't worry, it sounds like a lot of work, but you can do it this one. Okay, I'll show you one more example. Okay, so why we have to do, let's talk about this one, integration consideration. So when working with integration, several factors must be considered. You need to validate API request and response. You know what I'm talking now by this point. You must understand how errors are handled. You already know this one. Whether retries or supported, version compatibility is important, especially when vendors upgrade APIs. Clear communication channels are required to resolve these issues quickly. So I'm sure you know what I'm talking about because we completed these all levels previously. Okay. So next point, as a business analyst, you act as integration coordinator. You ensure all teams are aligned and speaking the same language. Proper documentation prevent miscommunication between teams, right? So understanding system dependencies help ensure the entire process work end to end. That's the main idea. Okay. So your next step, this worksheet train you to map cross-team workflows. So you practice documenting integration requirement clearly and logically. So in the next level, we'll move deeper into SDLC, user stories, and acceptance criteria in level 13. Thank you. I'll see you in the next one.